Good morning, children. Class 4 Science, Lesson 4 Science in Everyday Life. Today topic is gadgets. Children, what is meant by gadgets? Gadget is a small tool such as a machine that has a particular function. Children, think of the electronic devices we use every day. So what are the electronic devices we are using every day? Like smartphones, laptop, phone, camera, pen drive, speaker. So today we are going to show these examples. So the phone that we use, the camera that goes with us on every vacation, the TV that we watch for fun, all these devices that we use are called gadgets. A gadget is a small electronic machine or device which does something useful. Number of gadgets have changed our lives. They make our life enjoyable. Example, laptop, phone, camera, pen drive, speaker. Advantages of technologies and gadget. Children, you can get higher profits as new technologies increase work efficiency, which in turn increase productivity. Smart watches commonly used as gadgets. Here we are going to see some examples of gadgets. 1. Smartphones. Apart from communication, smartphones have the ability to access the internet and store files, take photos, track location and much more. You all know about smartphone, is it not, children? Daily you are using that smartphones, using a communication and internet, store files, take photos and location. Here saying advantage, it helps in communicating with people around us. Disadvantage is what? Accidents are caused daily due to distraction caused because of mobile devices. Next one is a portable music player. You all know music player, is it? Using a phone itself, having a portable music player. It stores and plays thousands of songs. We can listen to songs anywhere at any time. Here this advantage, children. The advantages of MP3 files is their size, which is about 1/10. The file size of data is CDS. Next we are going to see a disadvantage. The biggest drawback is a low audio quality in the music player. Next we are going to see tablets. You all know big tablets, is it not? People use tablet to read books, play games and watch videos. Here you are going to see advantage, children. Portability. Can work from everywhere and small enough to put in your handbags. Disadvantages, children. Difficulties to work on the small screen as compared to large screen size of the laptops. Next we are going to see a pen drive. You all know about pen drive, using a dance programs or any functions we are using up to pen drive, is it not, children? Yes, it is a small gadget used for storing and transferring any type of file in or from a computer. So for that purpose we are using a pen drive. You have your brother and all studying college and using a pen drive to done the project work, is it not, children? So that is a pen drive. Here advantage of pen drive is denser data storage in comparison to other removable media like CD or DVD. It is a smaller size and portable. The disadvantage, children, currently cost a lot more per gigabyte than traditional hard drives for large storage capacity. So this is a disadvantage of pen drive. Next we are going to see last one, electric torch. Portable handheld electric light. Torch is used to provide light in the dark places when it switched on. Here you are going to see advantage and disadvantage. Electric torch advantage, sunlight is free and non-polluting. Disadvantage is what? Sunlight goes every night. So this is both advantage and disadvantage, children. Next we are going to see evaluation part 3. In this we are going to learn short answer, long answer and drawing. First we are going to learn short answer. Question 1. What is food? Children, repeat with me. What is food? Answer. Food is one of the basic need of our life. Food is one of the basic needs of our life. Point 2. Food provides energy. It is usually made by cooking plants or animals. Food provides energy. It is usually made by cooking plants or animals. Third point, it contains essential nutrients to keep our body health. It contains nutrients to keep our body health. Children, repeat the question 2. Name any 3 baked foods. Name any 3 baked foods. Answer, biscuit, cake, bread. Biscuit, cake, bread. Children, repeat the spelling biscuit. B-I-S-C-U-I-T. Cake, C-A-K-E, cake. Bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. Now, question 3. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? Answer, point 1, gives energy. Point 2, promotes growth. Point 3, improves immunity. Point 4, helps our body repair itself. Children, repeat with me. Why do we need food? Point 1, gives energy. Point 2, promotes growth. Point 3, improves immunity. Point 4, helps our body repair itself. Next, fourth question. Write down the healthy benefits of milk. Write down the healthy benefits of milk. Point 1, it strengthens bones and teeth. It strengthens bones and teeth. Point 2, it maintains blood pressure. It maintains blood pressure. Point 3, it reduces the risk of heart disease. It reduces the risk of heart disease. Point 4, it is a source of energy. Point 4, it is a source of energy. Children, repeat with me. Question 4, write down the healthy benefits of milk. Point 1, it strengthens bones and teeth. Point 2, it maintains blood pressure. Point 3, it reduces the risk of heart disease. Point 4, it is a source of energy. Next, we are going to see long answer. Question 1, write down the benefits of cooking. Write down the benefits of cooking. Answer, cooking causes useful changes in food. Cooking causes useful changes in food. Point 1, it makes nutrients ready for digestion. It makes nutrients ready for digestion. Point 2, it helps to make food in the desired texture, flavor and taste. It helps to make food in the desired texture, flavor and taste. 3, it destroys harmful microbes. It destroys harmful microbes. Children, repeat with me. Question 1, write down the benefits of cooking. Answer, cooking causes useful changes in food. Point 1, it makes nutrients ready for digestion. Point 2, it helps to make food in the desired texture, flavor and taste. Point 3, it destroys harmful microbes. Again repeat, cooking causes useful changes in food. Point 1, it makes nutrients ready for digestion. Point 2, it helps to make food in the desired texture, flavor and taste. Point 3, it destroys harmful microbes. Children, Rome letter, last one, draw the following. First one, draw 3 baked food items, bread, cake, biscuits. Children, I gave the picture to you. See the picture, draw neatly bread, cake and biscuit. Biscuits, you draw any 2 children. Children, the lesson to be completed. Take a science class work. Start, write the, continue the short answer, long answer and drawing. Write neatly. Again, I am telling you children, while you writing your class work, write your question and then answer. Don't write simply answer children. Copy and keep it neatly children. From next class onwards, the hard question should be given for your assignment children. Thank you. Have a nice day.